gonna draw Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy needs a big circle. There. There's your head, Daddy. There.
What's that?
That's, I draw a little bit more on. I draw a little bit more on there.
What is it?
It's coloring.
Oh.
She's filling in gaps on my head.
Oh. Okay, what next?
There. And say, what's that?
What's that?
Vagina.
I thought you were drawing Daddy.
Oh. I'll erase it with my finger. See?
Yep.
I erased it.
So what comes next? I think Daddy's missing another leg and another arm.
There's his peanuts. It's a peanuts, Daddy. I drawed your peanuts. There. That's your peanuts, Daddy.
Wow. Thank you. Okay. Where's my other leg?
I'll draw it. Now you can walk.
Oh.
Be patient, Mommy.
Okay.
Gotta do some art after that.
What am I missing?
You're missing your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
There. I burped.
What good eyes. What else am I missing?
A nose.
Oh, how'd my nose get underneath my mouth?
I don't know. I draw it.
And what else?
You're missing your eyebrows.
Well, how many arms do I have?
2
Where are they?
arms.
Well, where are they? 1. I thought... Where's my other leg?
What?
Where are my legs?
Oh. Well, forgot your arm.
There it is. What about eyebrows?
There.
Can I wear a hat?
I can't draw hats. There.
That's a nice hat.